Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on this. I messed up with this one. I don't have the blues don't show up, but it's still cool. But I thought I'd do a couple of more little twists to it. So we're going to grab these two, and we're going to make one of them. Let's hit T and put them even. This one, I'm going to rotate 45 degrees. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to select them all and I'm going to blend. I'm not 100% sure how this is going to look, but it might look pretty cool. And then I'm going to blend on new path. And then I'm going to blend. My old laptop slows down. There's so much blending going on. Blend along full path and hit apply. So hopefully it's going to have a little bit more of a twist. And it does. But don't forget to go to Object, Break Blend Apart, and then get rid of your blend line. Let's make both of them dark. So it does have more twist to it. Now the other one I wanted to show, let's say we're going to make one of them. Well, I've already sized them down, so I'm just going to hold down the shift key and make it smaller. And now I'm going to blend them. And we're going to see which way, and it all depends on which way your arrow is on your, well, let's just do it with the shape tool. So the arrow is going this way, and that might affect it. So now we can take this, blend along new path, and then blend along full path. So what this should do is start off on a small end and end up on a bigger end. Now, the other thing I wanted to show, your blend path, and see, I'm only blending 500 times, so that's why it's jagged. Your blend path can be picked, and you can change the path of your blend. Don't always forget that. You're not stuck. You don't have to go backward. That's pretty cool looking. And, you know, you could take this and just grab that. I'm going to put a little bit more curve to it. And then don't forget to, that might have too much of an arch right there. But you can always expand that out and make that a smoother. Now this is going to have too much arch, but that's fine. But don't forget to go to Object. You probably need to select it all. I don't know that I have it all. And go up to Object and break the blend apart to get rid of that line. Yeah, that's pretty rough blend there, but just hit delete and it'll look a lot better. Anyway, just a couple ideas when you're blending. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.